Hi, everybody. Good morning. All right, so we're going to do a quick video about the words, the common words that you're going to be hearing in this week, April 4th through 8th, 2021. Again, the words that you'll most probably see and hear. Let's begin. First, we have the Prime Minister trial. Doesn't matter what side you're on, you're going to be hearing a lot the following words. First, we have mishpat, trial, right? Mishpat is a trial, as in hamishpat hitchil, the trial has begun. Next, we have mankal wara leshavar, that you're going to hear a lot, or you've already heard that, which is former Walla CEO. Walla is a company and also a slang word. So in case you're wondering what's up with this word, it's a slang, and also it's called, it was given to one of the largest news websites here in Israel. Mankal Walla leshavar diber, former Walla CEO spoke. Again, I will just give you a couple of seconds to repeat this. Mankal Walla leshavar diber. If you repeat what I say, you're going to be much more engaged in this video, and you're going to take much more out of this class. Hochachot are evidence or proof, right? Matchilim ba'hochachot, starting with the evidence. Matchilim ba'hochachot. Next, we have eduyot, which are testimonies, as in nimseru eduyot, testimonies were given. Nimseru eduyot. Then we have shlav, stage, as in השלב הראשון, the first stage, okay, השלב הראשון. Then we have tovat. Tovat is a prosecutor, a female prosecutor, as in התובעת הראשית, the chief, the main prosecutor. התובעת הראשית. Next, we have פרקליטות, which is a prosecution, but פרקליטות מתכוננים, the prosecution, literally people. Even though you don't see it in Hebrew, the word people, but we're talking about them in plural, so we're referring to the people inside the prosecution. So the prosecution people or workers is, because still we're talking about prosecution as singular, getting ready. בפרקליטות מתכוננים. Next, we have sikur, which is coverage, as in media coverage, or as in sikur ohed. That's what we're going to hear a lot. Sikur ohed, positive, fan-like, right? Fan-like coverage. Sikur ohed. Next, we have neum hapticha, as in neum hapticha, the opening speech. Neum hapticha. Next, we have Bet Mishpat Mechozi, which is the district court, as in Bet Mishpat Mechozi BiYerushalayim, the district court in Jerusalem. Again, Bet HaMishpat HaMechozi BiYerushalayim. All right, notice that also you have it transliterated down below in case you want it. Next, we have the Yom HaShoah, which is the Holocaust Remembrance Day. Okay, it's going to take place in this coming Thursday, starting Wednesday night. Yom HaZikaron, as in Remembrance Day. Yom HaZikaron will be Yom Chamishi, what we just said. Remembrance Day is on Thursday. Again, Yom HaZikaron will be Yom Chamishi. Next, Gvura, right? You're going to hear a lot. Yom HaShoah ve'agvura. Gvura is courage. In case you wondered, Hagvura shel ha'anashim shehayu sham, the heroism or the courage of the people who were there. Hagvura shel ha'anashim shehayu sham. Notice that it's a slightly more complex sentence, which is good, right? We're talking about people, they, past. Good to practice that as well. Tekes. טקס is a ceremony. הטקס יתחיל ב8 בערב. The ceremony will begin at 8 p.m. or 8 in the evening. Literally, הטקס יתחיל ב8 בערב. Now we have אירועי. אירועי, you can hear a lot. אירועי יום הזיכרון, אירועי יום השואה, אירועי are events of, right? It's סמיכות, for those of you who know what סמיכות is, אירועי something. אירועי, as in אירועי יום הזיכרון ישודרו בטלוויזיה. The Memorial Day events or the Remembrance Day events will be televised, meaning they're going to be on TV. Again, אירועי יום הזיכרון ישודרו בטלוויזיה. As you notice, I'm giving you time to repeat. It's important to repeat and to engage in whatever you're learning, right? Don't see this class as something that just to watch, but actually take action and at least repeat after me. If you want later on, just write down the words, put them in sentences, and do whatever I recommend usually to do when learning new words. Next, we have ניצולי שואה. ניצולי שואה are Holocaust survivors, as in ניצולי השואה היקרים, the dear Holocaust survivors, right? ניצולי השואה היקרים. נספים are those who were killed. 6 מיליון נספים בשואה, all right? 6 million perished, or 6 million people died or killed, better said, in the Holocaust, right? 6 מיליון נספים. It's kind of like a rare word. You don't use it too much. You don't hear it much. Thank God, right? It's not a very positive word. What I mean is that you're not going to be using it too much, and it's usually in the context of Yom HaZikaron. You're just going to hear a lot. That's why I added it to this video. Next, we have the act or the process of putting together a coalition and building up the government. We have a couple of words there. Bet Anasi, which is the president's residence, right? Sichot bebet Anasi, you can hear that. Sichot bebet Anasi, talks or conversations at the president's house or president's residence. Sichot bevet hanasi. Next, we have harkavat hamemshala, the actual action of putting together a coalition. Harkavat hamemshala hi avoda kasha. Memshala is government. Memshala is government, but in this context, just putting together the coalition that will form and will act as the government. So putting together a government is hard work. Harkavat hamemshala hi avoda kasha. Then we have Natsig. Natsig is representative, both for a phone center representative, and both for, as in this example, Megia Natsig Mikol Miflaga, representative from each party arrives to the president's residence, right? Megia Natsig Mikol Miflaga. And then we have the word si'a, which is a political party. It's a synonym for a political party because usually it's used for miflaga. But I don't know, for some reason, this word still keeps showing up on the news. So just for you to know what si'a is, it's a political party, as in yesh si'a gdola ve si'a ktana. Just to give you an example, there is a large party and a small party. Again, talking about political parties. So these were the words. These were the words for this week, this coming week, unless there are going to be other news. And I hope you find it useful. I hope you make use of these words, at least if you're only on the listening end. If you want to also practice it while speaking and using it, go ahead. That's even better. At least also I would recommend to write it down, as I mentioned before, to write it down and practice putting them into sentences according to your level. Don't push yourself too much, but also don't go too easy on yourself. That was the video. Hope you enjoyed it again. Have an excellent day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.